Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram message from both sides. Some provide solution and provide proof. So simply at first open your Instagram and just use two different Instagram account. Okay, go to message section. So I'm just message this phone to this phone or this phone to this phone. Okay, like a message. So as you can see, I'm received this message. Okay, and I'm just delete this message from both sides. So just long press, then you get on send option. Press on, and now remove this. The same way to another, to unsend. Now delete this message from both sides, and the same way this account, unsend to unsend. Now remove this. So that's it.